What's up YouTube? It's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley. Hope you guys join the fun, join the crew, join the squad, and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're one of my OG subscribers, then welcome back to my channel. Alright you guys, so today's video is going to be a plus size try on haul because your girl got some new clothes from Pink Blush, and today is Cyber Monday and Pink Blush is having their biggest sale of the year. Okay, they're having up to 50% off their entire website, so make sure y'all get your coins, make sure y'all get your credit cards, your debit cards, your money cards ready to go shopping because Pink Blush has you covered for all of your clothing needs. As you guys know, Pink Blush had your girl looking cute when she was pregnant, but Pink Blush also has non-maternity clothes too, so whether you're pregnant or you're not pregnant, Pink Blush got you covered. Okay, so make sure you guys hit that link in my description box to go ahead and shop on Pink Blush's website. They're having their biggest sale of the year, their Cyber Monday sale, up to 50% off of your items. And if I have a coupon code, I'm gonna leave it here on the screen for you guys as well, so make sure you guys click that link in the description box. Okay, so like I said before, I do have a few pieces that I got from them, so I'm going to show you guys some of the cute dresses that I got because as y'all know, okay, Christmas is coming up, okay, and people are having fall and winter weddings and there's a lot of events going on and we gotta look cute in the colder months. Okay, now that the summer is gone, we still gotta look cute when the cold comes. Okay, so I got some really cute dresses for the fall and winter time that I'm going to be showing you guys, perfect for any family gatherings because as you guys know, Christmas is coming up and a whole bunch of other events that you're going to be gathered with your peoples, or you might be going away, or you might be having some dates, whatever it is. I got some cute dresses to show you guys. So if you guys are ready to see the things that I got, then just keep on watching. All right, you guys, so here is the first dress, and it's this really pretty long yellow maxi dress. And I'm a firm believer that you can wear bright colors all through the year. Okay, you don't have to leave the bright colors only for the summer. The bright colors can be worn in the colder months, in the fall and the winter. Okay, so I think this dress is super cute. This dress is giving hosting vibes. Okay, if you're having some type of a gathering at your house, whether it's for Christmas, whether it's for Thanksgiving that just passed, whatever gathering, this is giving hostess vibes. Okay, like welcome to my house, welcome to the party, welcome to the gathering. Like it's just cute and very fun and very girly and feminine, so I absolutely love it. I'm loving the ruffle detailing on the shoulders. You can wear it off the shoulder or you could wear it up on your shoulder, but I prefer the off the shoulder because we want to show a little something something, right? And then it also comes with this cute little roped belt that you could tie however you like. So I made a little bow at the side, but of course you could just like double knot it and just have it hang down. However you want to do it is cool. And this is what the back of it looks like. And I just think it's really cute. It's very flattering and it's just very flowy and it just flows down to the floor. Now because I'm really short, okay, this is on the ground for me. I am 5'3", so if you're taller than me then it definitely won't be as long on you, but for me it's literally like on the ground. But I like it like that because I like when my dresses are long. Like if I'm on my tippy toes, it's okay. So yeah, this is this dress. All right, you guys, so here is the second dress, and y'all, this is the perfect transition dress. Okay, every girl needs a dress like this in their wardrobe because it can be worn in the summer, but it can also be styled to be worn in the colder months. You could wear this with like some leggings or some tights with some cute like combat boots with like a leather jacket over it, and it's gonna be so cute. So I love these type of transitional pieces. And you guys, this dress has pockets. Like how cute is this? It has pockets, so you know you can put all your little somethings in the pocket because you know we ladies always have something in our hand, your lip gloss, your phone, whatever. So yeah, it's just this really pretty floral printed dress. It has this really nice floral print to it, and I went ahead and paired it with a black belt just to help accentuate the waist a little bit. The sleeves are like these flowy sleeves with the ruching at the wrist. The sleeves are long on me, which I really like. It makes it perfect for the colder months. But yeah, and it's a super nice length. It's just at the knee, so it's not showing too much, but it's showing just enough. And of course you could pair it with, you know, some cute boots. I would rock these with some cute booties, with some stocking or leggings underneath, just so your girl doesn't get too cold. And yeah, this can definitely be accessorized to dress it up and to dress it down. So I'm gonna show you guys what the back is looking like. It's just really, you know, plain and simple in the back, but it's really, really cute. And I just love the fact that it has pockets. It just makes it 10 times better. So yeah, here is this dress. All right, you guys, so here is the next dress, and it's this really cute beige sweater dress. Now every girl needs a sweater dress, okay? It is officially sweater weather, which also means sweater dresses. So I absolutely love this dress. It's in this beige color, and I went ahead and paired it with that same black belt again, just to accentuate my waist a little bit. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I love the turtleneck detailing. It's a nice thick turtleneck. And then this is what the sleeves look like. It's almost like a bell sleeve, a small bell sleeve, and then it's kind of like tapered near the wrist. So I like that. It's really, really cute. And this is what the back of the dress looks like. So just nice and plain and cute. And of course, this is a perfect transitional piece too, because in the warmer fall and winter months, you can just wear it like this. But if it's a little bit chilly, then of course you can pair it with some leggings, some stockings, and some boots. I think this would look really, really cute with some knee boots or some booties. What do y'all think? I think this dress is so cute, and I'm loving the color. I'm loving the beige against my skin. So this is this dress. All right, you guys, so here is the last dress, and baby, this dress is giving all types of classy but sexy, okay? This is the perfect dress for them winter weddings, okay? If you were invited to a wedding that is taking place in the winter, this is the dress for you, okay? The silhouette of it is so nice. It's like mermaid, okay? The bottom of it flares. I know you guys can't see the full bottom, but baby, it is so cute, so flattering. Gives you such a nice silhouette and shape. The nice detailing around the bust area is so nice. It goes slightly off the shoulder. You could bring it down further if you want, or bring it up. I like to keep it up just a little bit. It's showing a little bit of cleavage. If you pair this with a really pretty diamond necklace, pretty diamond bracelet and earrings, like, you're gonna look so cute at the wedding, okay? Like, this is the perfect winter wedding dress, okay? So can somebody who's getting married invite me so I can wear this dress? Because it's cute, okay? And the colors is perfect. It's not too loud. It's just this really nice, like, dark mauve color. So I love it. So it does have some ruching along the sides that helps it have a really flattering silhouette. And this is what the back of the dress looks like. Definitely accentuates the badonkadonk in the back, which we love. But yeah, you guys, this dress is so pretty. It is so soft. I absolutely love it. It's really, really sexy, but also very classy as well. I am loving this dress, you guys. With a cute pair of heels, this dress is gonna be so pretty, and I just love the silhouette. I love the, you know, mermaid look of it. It is just so nice. So yeah, you guys. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys check out Pink Blush, as they are having their biggest sale of the year. They're having their Cyber Monday sale, so be sure to hit the link in the description box so you guys can go ahead and shop and get you some cute pieces for the colder weather. And like I said, Pink Blush has you covered if you're pregnant, because I know a lot of y'all is pregnant, okay? I was also pregnant this year too. So I had my baby 3 months ago, so you know, I feel y'all, okay? So if you need to get your cute pregnancy clothing or your cute regular clothing, Pink Blush got you covered. They have both straight sizes and plus sizes, so make sure you guys just hit the link in my description box so you guys can check it out. Let me know down below which piece was your favorite, which dress was your favorite. To be honest, I really, really love this dress. This is my favorite dress, and then my second favorite dress is the sweater dress, because I just love a sweater dress, right? So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to follow me on my Instagram page as well. I'm gonna have it linked up here. It's at the Ashley Clarke, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.